Women are complicated beings. The more they look simple on the outside, the more complex they are. You never know what she feels and desires, which is why most men fail in relationships. But it is not rocket science either. I've seen men dating the highest class women, and some even multiple at the same time. Do not misunderstand this. I want you to be loyal to your woman, but you must understand some of her desires and needs without her telling you. Listen, if you can't predict her desires, she won't stay for long and will eventually get bored of your existence. That is why you must give her certain things to keep her wanting more of you. Here are 8 things women secretly want men to do, but never tell them. Age them as your skills, because if you want to succeed with women, you will need them for the rest of your life. They want you to take the initiative. Woman will never say that you initiated the conversation. Take her on a night date, hold her hand and even kiss her, but you must have the courage to take the initiative as a man. Listen, when you meet a woman and say nothing but stare at her with shut-up behavior, she will get irritated. It is because she was mentally prepared to have some quality time and get to know you. But when you don't give her that, you lose the purpose of meeting her. Similarly, a woman will never put her hand forward and say, "Take this." You must claim that as a man, you must tell her that you desire her and show that interest. Holding her hand is one of the obvious signs to show your interest in her. It is the same for everything from giving her surprises to being confident in bed. A woman craves men who are confident enough to take the initiative. Women want masculine men. Even though you have been brainwashed by modern society, understand this. Women lust after masculine men. This is the order of nature they follow. They want to behave as femininely as they can and want men to behave masculinely. There is a powerful aura attached to being masculine, an aura that can make women go wild for you. There are also tons of other benefits attached to being masculine. You will not only turn any woman on with your masculine aura, but also dominate her subconsciously, as I said. There is a power in being masculine, but you must claim that in order to attract any woman you desire, they want you to take charge in bed. It is no hidden secret that besides their emotional desires, women also have physical needs. For that, they want men to satiate those needs. Listen, to win her in bed, you must show authority and take charge in bed. Do not misunderstand when I say this. You should not be aggressive. Instead, be assertive and dominate her in bed. This is how you make her submit to you both physically and emotionally. Understand this. If you show weakness in bed, you let her take the upper hand both in bed and in other areas of life. Not that she will show dominance, but your respect in her eyes for you plummets with time, and the moment she finds a better man, she will move on to that option. Women want you in good shape. Modern men are sluggish and enjoy the comfort of lying in bed at home all day, rather than going to the gym and bulking up. Women lust after muscular men. Although they will never complain about your skinny figure deep inside, they will also fantasize about a muscular man. Being in good shape not only makes you more attractive to women, but also makes you more confident. When you are in good shape, your woman will always feel safe in your arms, knowing that no one can dare to harm her while being with a muscular man. They want attention. It is an undeniable fact that women are attention seekers, especially when they are in a relationship. They spend hours getting ready just to want to be seen by their boyfriends, and when you men don't give them that, they freak out. Perhaps it is one of the most obvious secrets that every man knows about them. Giving them attention makes them feel valued and seen by their men. But you must not put her on a pedestal by giving her exaggerated value and attention. It will only inflate her ego. Learn to maintain balance and she will never leave your side. They want you to be emotionally strong. The fact that most modern men are emotionally weak turns women off like no other thing. Women are not as emotionally strong as men, so they want men to support them emotionally and mentally. You as a masculine man probably experience this with your woman. Whenever she feels broken inside, she turns to you and places her head on your shoulder, seeking comfort and emotional support. It is because she cannot withstand that pressure. But when you as a man is emotionally weak, how can you support her? And knowing the fact that you are as fragile as her, she will run in the opposite direction. Women appreciate little things. Women are sentimental and appreciate things that hold value to them. It can be anything from buying her a bouquet to taking her on unexpected dinners. They love men to do these little but valuable things. Understand this, not all women seek money or status. Some of them are humbly and appreciate a value more than materialism, but they never express that in words instead. They will show profound gratitude and love in return. They want to be respected and valued. Women want to feel valued and respected as equals to men in a relationship. It is true, and they deserve that, especially when she is giving her everything to a relationship. It is a sad reality that most modern men want women to satiate their sexual desires. But as a masculine man, you must value and respect your women. This is the way of masculinity. When you give your woman respect and value, she will never betray you. She will even try to go to any length to be the woman you desire. You see, most of the time, women will show rather than tell you what they want you to do, and when you give them that, they will crave you irresistibly. By the way, if you want to level up in life, hit the like,